Hi, I'm Scott from Àclèaf. I'm going to be showing you how to cook and plate our lobster dish. So to start with, we have some wonderful native lobsters from Brixham. The first thing to do is be humane and just take a knife in between the back of the head, push it in and break it down like that, instantly killing the nerve. Let's do it on the other one again, and then down. Okay. So once we've killed the lobsters, twisting tails away and the claws. Off. The heads will say for a stock, tails we're going to cook. Gently, we're just going to put a stick through it, so the stick just going up through there, and when it cooks it won't curl up and go tight. First of all, into the steamer we need to put the claws, because these will take a lot longer than the tails. So they'll go in for 4 minutes. Once the claws have been in for 4 minutes, I'm going to add the tails. We're just going to blanch them in the steamer for 2 more minutes with the claws, just to make them pop out of the shells. So, the tails have been cooked for 2 minutes, the claws for 4. About 6 minutes in total for the claws. And now while they're still warm, I'm just going to crush the back of them, stick out, twist off, and then gently pull the shell . If you do this while it's still warm, it's much easier to bring the shell away from the tail nicely. We'll save all these shells for the bisque. That's the second lobster. Now, with the claws, I'm going to break these off, save these for the salad. So we're going to break off the small claw. The knife, the claw will pop out. So next up for the dish, we're going to take our lobster tail, which has only been blanched, still be raw on the inside. Just going to trim the top there. Take a knife, gently cut straight down through the base to open up. Just want to clean it up a little bit, pull out the vein. Same on the other one. There we go. Now, to these, I have a reduction of pink grapefruit, passion fruit, and orange, and we're just going to backfill the lobster and pop it into a sous vide bag. So you want those citrusy flavours to finish cooking into the lobster. So for the carrot salad part of the dish, we're going to do the claws. Just chop the top off, and then chop the claw, and then pop it into the pan, added with some of the citrus beurre blanc. It's been finished with a touch of butter, and then a little bit of salt. Give it a good mix. To top off the chopped lobster salad, we're going to have some heritage carrots. We just want to take some ribbons, so we'll save any trim for puree and juice to finish the bisque. And we're just going to square off the carrot. So this will be for puree, these will be for juice. We've chosen to use heritage carrots because of the colour. Just want to have a dash of colour on the dish. There we go. From this stage, when I've got my carrots squared off, I'm just taking ribbons like so. I'm just going to square off the ribbons so they're all a similar size. And then I'm going to blanch these in boiling salted water for about 30 seconds. Okay, so the carrots have been blanched in boiling salted water for 30 seconds. I'm just going to dry them very lightly. You just don't want any of that water diluting any of the carrot flavour. try and absorb as much as we can there. Okay, so these are still got a tiny bit of bite to them. We didn't want them to have it to be soft. We wanted to have a nice crunchy salad. The lobster tail has now been in the water bath with the citrus beurre blanc for about 8 minutes. I'm just going to cut and then pop out the bag. So I have the carrot puree that I've made with the carrot trim. I'm just going to start off with the base of that. That's just carrots cooked in water and finished with a bit of cream. Then onto there we have our chopped lobster salad. So, the carrot ribbons I'm going to dress with a little lime syrup. Just one small. So a little carrot ribbon salad. Just going to pop that over the top of the lobster. We have some wood sorrel. And some golden wood sorrel. The lobster. Sit there, and then finished with a lobster, carrot and citrus piece. And there we go, lobster, citrus and carrot.